Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to sense image border width in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first open your Google Sheets document file. In this video, I will show that sense image border width. Now going to the image. Now for click, then click for the three dot option. Now click for the edit option. Then again click for the image. Now click for the border width option. Then choose a NPX. Now I choose from the 60 px. Now for click. Now click for the save and close option. That's it. Then I show sense image border width in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.